Old Buckingham Airfield, once home to the 453rd Bomber Group and Hollywood star and Major General James Stewart, and now home to Aerial Advantage. So today's quite interesting. First of all, because it's our first video for Aerial Advantage and the first time I get to go up in a Super Decathlon and do some aerobatics.
The Super Decathlon is built by American Champion Aircraft based in Wisconsin. It's fully aerobatic and great for touring with a cruise speed of 140 miles an hour. American Champion Aircraft build two other types of aircraft, the Citabria and Scout. These are a modern take on a classic style tailwheel aircraft with the latest in Garmin avionics, including a G3X touchscreen EFIS panel as standard and a G5 backup. Aerial Advantage are the official dealer for the UK and Europe, and you can order through us. These aircraft can be manufactured tailored to your specifications and delivered to your local airfield inside of 3 to 4 months.
Clear for off! Buckingham traffic, Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee, taxiing for runway 07 takeoff.
For you.
Okay, so we're just taxiing down to the runway. We'll do a run-up check shortly.
So here we go then, we are taxiing for our start-up checks. Like we said earlier on, this is my first ever aero, our first ever flight in the Decathlon. Let's hope that Captain is feeling good today.
Get power down a little bit. And we're just going to point the aircraft in the wind. Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee is number 2 following Alpha Yankee. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a rolling run up.
Okay.
Checking both mags. Checking alternate air. All good. And I'll do a prop check when we get to the end. 207 cross. Slow running, good.
So there's something different you can do then. You can do your start-up checks, or your run-up checks, sorry, on the move rather than static.
Yeah, providing it's safe to do so. So your Alpha Yankee is going to take the grass runway. We're going to go on the tarmac. Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee is taxiing Alpha, runway 07. The great thing about this aircraft is it just pivots on the spot.
Yep.
So I'm going to hold just here. I'm going to do a quick run up.
And these are toe brakes as well?
No, they're toe brakes, and it's just a quick check on the CST. Yep, we're good to go. Nothing in sight. Okay, we're clear to take off. I'm just going to lower the throttle down a little bit here. Oh, Buckingham traffic, Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee, lining up runway 07 for departure.
No air traffic. That's the captain.
Okay, so nothing seen, nothing heard. I can't see anything coming. Yeah, all clear. And this thing will take off like a rocket. So, all set to go. How you feeling back there?
Well, I'd be lying if I told you I was relaxed. Happy.
Good.
Right now, the aircraft is climbing at 1,100 foot per minute and at 90 mile an hour. It's following a left-hand circuit and will level off at 1,000 feet. When level, the throttle and prop will be adjusted to a cruise speed, accelerating to 140 mile per hour.
Rolling runway 07.
We will continue to climb in the cruise to a height safe enough to perform aerobatics in a suitable location south of the airfield.
Okay, so we're going to turn to the left here.
Okay. Climbing up runway 07.
Pressure setting at 1029. What we're going to do is we're going to head off to the south over there and go past Snetterton. And then I'm going to wait, try and find some clear sky for us to go a bit higher.
Okay.
Currently, the cloud base above us is at 3,000 foot. 2,500 feet is a reasonable height to perform aerobatics safely, but I want more headroom if we're going to perform loops and stall turns, because we may fly into cloud. Therefore, I'm searching for a gap in the cloud big enough for us to have a safe space to perform manoeuvres. If the aircraft stalls or spins during manoeuvre, I want to make sure that we have plenty of height to recover and not worry about our VIP in the back.
Not too bad. Go and do a 20-degree bank to the right for me.
To the right, yeah?
Yeah. Nice balance control there. All Buckingham traffic, all Buckingham traffic. Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee is performing aeros 5 miles south of the airfield. To about 3,000 feet.
We're still looking for a gap in the clouds, and I've just spotted a nice one ahead. We're about 10 miles southeast of the airfield now, and away from my usual area I fly aeros. In a moment, I'll be checking my GPS to make sure that the commercial airspace is not just above us.
Okay, so now we're going to do some manoeuvres.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is we're going to do a roll to the left and then a roll to the right, okay?
Yep.
Good. Let's pop that forward. Here comes the fuel. Nothing seen, nothing heard. There we go. Check.
Oh my god!
Okay, that's the first one.
Radio.
Check. There's the second one.
Oh wow.
As we go up, I've got the other aircraft in sight, 8 miles away, so that's great news. So we're going quite fast now. I'm just going to head towards this bit here, and then we're going to go and do a loop in this little hole here, which is fantastic.
Yep.
And 3, 2, 1. Okay, going round again.
Wow.
And we're going to... Going for another loop. Ready?
Yep.
You feel that one?
You were falling there, weren't you?
Alright, we got to about 3.5 Gs there. Gonna turn around a little bit.
It's lucky I researched about testing your muscles, wasn't it?
Alright, I'm gonna follow this train line here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know which way we're gonna go. Just checking around quickly, there's nothing there. Okay, here comes the next one. And up we go. We are now flying upside down, sir.
That's different.
And back over. Now, from the back seat. Oh, yeah, fucking rude. Did you want to try a loop?
No. Are you going to judge me if I say no?
That's fine if you don't want to do it. Okay, follow me through on the controls at least then.
Yeah, okay.
I'll come back and do one more, okay?
Get my arse back in the seat, yeah?
Right, so, you got handle the controls?
I have, yep.
Okay, keep them loose, keep your feet on the rudder pedals.
Okay, feet on the right pedal.
Okay?
Yep.
Right, okay, so, we're going to go up and do a roll. Up, check, turn. Speed up, and then we go up. Right. There we go. I think that's enough for one day.
Wowzers.
How do you find that?
Yeah, that's definitely an experience. Wow. Yeah, it's just saying, I suppose, if you've never felt it before, it takes you back a bit, doesn't it?
I think you can feel it a little bit more in the back seat than I can at the front.
Yeah. That was brilliant, thank you.
You're welcome.
For passengers experiencing aerobatics for the first time, there are a few things to consider: how comfortable they are, their enjoyment, and whether it's making them nauseous. The first two are easy to manage, but the third can be tricky. People may have no issues with motion sickness like Sam, but you may have noticed Sam looking like he's holding his breath through some of the manoeuvres. Sam was briefed to tense his stomach muscles during the loops and rolls. This helps him keep everything in place. When you're 3.5 times your body weight, your insides feel like they're being squeezed, so this helps keep your lunge down. Also, performing broken aerobatics and advising your passenger what you're going to do next prepares them rather than going for a full air display. This keeps your passenger happy and relaxed.
Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee, final to land, runway 07, Old Buckingham.
The Decathlon's design is extremely forgiving, with a low stall speed, and it feels like it could land itself. We need to be going as slow as possible, but like most aircraft, avoid a stall at 100 foot, or your final approach will be very final.
Watch out for the rabbits.
Nearly got one.
take off.
Lovely, Captain Higbee.
Very much.
Lovely flying. I feel like my head's going to explode, but lovely flying.
Didn't even need to use the rest of the runway. Oh, back no traffic. Golf Tango Papa Sierra Yankee has vacated runway, heading to the hangar.
Well, that's definitely an experience I'll never forget.
And back no traffic. Golf Bravo, Golf Papa Bravo, final formation.
Well, the good news is, everyone, is that I've not placed my breakfast onto the floor of this aircraft or onto the back of Captain Higbee.
Which I'm very grateful. Call the next one.
Amazing.
Good job.
Thank you very much, sir. Cheers. Going through what we did, the rolls themselves actually weren't too bad. I quite enjoyed the rolls. When you did the loop, that was just, I don't know, it was a little bit mind-blowing really, because you don't, again, when you haven't experienced it, especially being a pilot, it's very, very strange. But the one that I suppose I can sit back and say I enjoyed now was the inverted flight, because we were inverted for quite a while.
Yeah, I like to leave it hanging there just for a bit.
And I was Spider-Man on top of the roof here. So, yeah, it was just great fun. It's something that definitely you would have to get used to. But yeah, looking forward to do it again. And for anyone else that wants more information into the company, then you can go onto our website. We've got Twitter, we've got Instagram, we've got Facebook. We'll carry on with the videos, and hopefully we'll get one of us throwing up at some point. But from myself, Sam, and from Captain Higbee himself, thank you very much for watching, and we hope you have a good rest of your day.